Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Our topic for today is popular cartoon shows from different countries. Let's start the video. Gigi Bond from China. SpongeBob from USA. Cornel and Bernie from France. Peppa Pig from United Kingdom. Shuriken School from Spain. Moomin from Finland. Block 13 from Kuwait. 2P and Dinu from Canada. Ninja Hattori from Japan. The Barkers from Russia. Paperport from Chile. Mansoor from UAE. Ubongo Kids from Tanzania. Lazy Huri from Armenia. Mr. Trance from Colombia. Oddbots from Singapore. Siestazi from Argentina. Pandora and Plato from Greece. Lelico from Turkey. Bojan the Bear from Slovenia. Shin-chan from Japan. Atomic Betty from Canada. Blisodot from Israel. The Simpsons from USA. Mighty Raju from India. Sitio do Pica-Pau from Brazil. Agent Ali from Malaysia. Lily the Witch from Germany. Ben 10 from USA. The Airport Diary from South Korea. House of Ajibo from Nigeria. Bananas in Pyjamas from Australia. Skunk Fui from Ireland. Bobo Boy from Malaysia. Bob the Builder from United Kingdom. Bo Lake and Low Lake from Poland. Pet the Dog from Belgium. Augie and the Cockroaches from France. Kimonache from India. Pang Pond from Thailand. The Adventure of Blinky Bill from Australia. Nussa from Indonesia. Burqa Avenger from Pakistan. Nina from Bangladesh. Squirrel and Hedgehog from North Korea. Captain Flamingo from Philippines. Edith and Sopojavo from Indonesia. Ella Bella Bingo from Norway. Doraemon from Japan. Maya and the Three from Mexico. Akiwok from Jamaica. Paw Patrol from Canada.